Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. We're frequent shoppers at our local Costco and recently saw this 4-pack of stackable shoe boxes. We initially thought it was a silly way to display shoes, but Costco has been using them to display Lego sets in the store, and that made us think outside of the shoebox. So we caught a sale and took a box of 4 home. After following the instructions to build the first one, I was surprised at how bad the instructions were in showing you how to put this box together. So let's build this third one together, and I'll show you it's not that challenging as the instructions might make it seem. First, you're going to need to take the plastic off all the pieces. Each side has a convenient label to help with the assembly. The instructions show wearing white gloves while assembling the boxes, but shockingly I did not have those on hand, but I didn't notice any fingerprints being an issue. First, you're going to lay down A and put B on the side. Then C goes on the other side. At this point, it doesn't matter which direction you put these in. Next, you need piece D, and this is what you want to make sure the hole is at the bottom and that the C door opens like this. If it doesn't, your door is going to open like a garage door. I'm trying to snap them into place, but it'll be much easier to snap everything together once it's all assembled. E goes on top, and you want to make sure the 2 magnets are facing the opening. I'm trying to carefully bang the sides into place. It does seem a little fragile, so be careful. And then F is going to slip into the 2 holes at the bottom, and just be careful while getting it into place. If you did it right, both doors should open like this. Now you want to go through and make sure all the seams are nice and pressed in. It's easier to stand it up and push the sides together. Lastly, take the letters off because the assembly is finished and the box is done. Let's do this one more time to make sure you got it. Remove all the plastic coverings, then lay A down and put B and C on the sides. Then lay D down and fit the rest into it, making sure the little holes are at the bottom. E goes on top with the magnets facing the opening. Then F slips into the bottom. Go through and make sure all the sides are nice and secure. This can take a little time, so be patient and be sure not to break anything. And remove the stickers because you're done. Now, what can we put in these boxes? Costco suggests shoes, so let's take a look. It works, but it seems like a waste of space to me. Now, I love the idea of putting a Lego set in these. This is a great way to keep them on display, but protect them from dust, pets, or small children. Here's another Lego set on display, but you can see this is the first box I assembled, and I created a garage door accidentally. So I want to see if I could take this apart to fix it, but the instructions do clearly say it is not recommended to take the product apart once assembled. I'm trying really hard not to break anything, and it absolutely is not coming apart. So I officially have one box that has a garage door opening. All these boxes have little grooves where they can stack on top of each other. They fit pretty well together. You can stack them 4 high or 2 and 2. And you can see when stacked, the doors still open perfectly, and on the second from the bottom shelf, you might notice that there's a miniature building in there, which is another thing that you can display in these boxes. And one last idea of how to use these boxes. I've shared in the past that I actually turned my bathroom tub into a storage location, so I'm going to try storing clothes in these boxes and see how it holds up. They do seem a little flimsy, so I'm curious how long they'll last. I do love that these are clear and I can see everything, and that the doors just close with magnets. What would you store in these boxes? Are you a Costco shopper? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com.